In this video, I will show you how to change currency in your OneWin account. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I advise you create a professional OneWin account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code RENZO7. If you use the promo code RENZO7, OneWin is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus, and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. So after logging into your OneWin account, click on your account management and then go to view wallet management. Now in the main account, if you are already using a currency there, you can't longer change it. What you can do to have another currency is to create a new wallet. To do that, you just have to choose the currency you want to use. For instance, want to use any currency. Yes, I'll take for instance the UAE dirham, and then I click on add account. Once I add account, that's a new account with a new currency, and you can always delete it if you want. And that's how to change currency in OneWin.